Good morning, everyone. My name is Wai Yin Joshua, and I am from BHMS Hospitality and Business Management School. And now I am currently doing my internship in Interlaken. And the place that I work for is called Kielhofer. It is a watch retail store, and they sell a lot of different kinds of products too. For what I'm going to talk about in this video, I'm going to talk about my role and responsibilities, my key skills gained, and how I value the workplace. The fourth one is a change for workplace, and the final one is future career development goals. So let's talk about a brief background of Kielhofer. It is a very large scale watch retail store located in Interlaken, and there are 11 branches around Switzerland. The watches they sold are the highest rank from Patek Philippe or Audemars Piguet to the smaller watches such as Hannover or Swiss militaries. For the store that I worked in this internship, I worked in the watch retail store and the leather retail store, which sells some Ferragamo's brand names or Gucci leathers goods. And the third one I worked is souvenir retail store, which sells Victorinox souvenir knives or Swilling's kitchen cutlery. So for the 6-month internship in Interlaken, I have worked 2 months in each stores that rotates. So for the benefit, I can learn a lot more information and different skills and techniques to sell different products. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is my responsibility and roles for each day in Kielhofer. I have to prepare the store before it opens for the customers, which I have to clean the windows outside, and then sometimes I have to vacuum and also clean the toilet. And after the store is open, my responsibility is to explain customer what is the product about and to sell them the product so I can give my company a profit. And what I learned through these actions, I can learn a lot of techniques and how to deal with guests. And the second one, it's key skill that I have gained. For in this internship, what I learned is how to communicate better with guests and knowing what they are thinking inside in order to push our products more and make our company more profit. And the second thing I have learned is teamwork. For example, when the stores get very busy, how do we cooperate and give new stocks to the guests or return the stocks that they don't need with a more security way to prevent thief or stealing happens. And the third thing I have learned is language barriers, how to solve it. For example, when a guest speaks only Korean with not speaking any English and common language, what should we do? And for example, at that time, we will try to use body motions to let the guests know what they want. If they need something more complicated, then we can use Google Translate, and this will get a lot more convenient and better for guests. So for the third, we're talking about how I valued the workplace. In this internship, I valued myself to this company by giving more profit to the company and giving a very good impression to guests. It's because sometimes the guest will tell the manager that I am patient and I am very kind to the guests, as it gives the company a very good impact on its popularity and the fame. The second thing I have valued for the workplace is sometimes things will get very messy uh, if the if it's very busy. So at that time, what I think of is using some very simple cardboard to make the stock very neat and very easy for the other colleagues to take what they want. And after I did this, my manager also complimented me that I am the only one who think such a way to improve the company and make the whole work more efficient. The fourth one is a change for the workplace. What I think of Kithofer, the downside of it is they don't have a set standard system in which that rules can change suddenly, and for each store managers they have different set of standards, so it makes it very chaos once when a problem is happened to all stores but have different set of rules. For example, we got a power shortage one time at around July, and for each store manager they have different set of solutions, and which makes the whole situation very bad and very chaos. So I wish that it could change this problem, and also I think they also can improve this employee training. For example, when a new employee comes and they don't know anything, and we should have a set of rules and standards that teach them. Because for me and my other colleagues, internship colleagues, we have teaching different stuff, and we learn different stuff from each other, which I think is not good for the company too, and for us too. And for the future careers and development goals, I was going to do also sales and marketing, because I really love selling customers and it's like a challenge to me to push a product to guests and make them happy too. So it's a win-win solution that makes me happy too. And also doing sales is much relaxing and much stress release than hotel jobs. For example, food and beverage. I worked in food and beverage last year, and I really think that is a very busy and very stressful environment, dealing with a lot of guests and a lot of orders. And at that time, I am not good at that. So this is the end of my reflection video in regarding Kithofer sales in watch and jewelries and leather goods. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.